Today, I'll show you the easiest hack on YouTube on how to make layered paratha or roti in minutes. We start by making a very simple dough. Into a bowl, sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then slowly pour in 200 milliliters of warm water. The simplest way to knead dough for paratha is to roll it 8 times and press it down 10 times and you're done. It's very simple and easy. Divide the dough into small balls. Before we continue, please share, and subscribe to African Village Flavors for more easy and tasty homemade recipes. Next, dust each dough ball with some all-purpose flour. Once that is done, using a rolling pin, roll each ball thin into a round circle. The secret is to have it as thin as possible for a better layered paratha or roti. Next, we lightly brush the surface with a little oil, or you can also use ghee. Then, sprinkle some all-purpose flour and cut one edge of your paratha like this. Next, hold the center and roll your paratha like this for you to have those flaky layers. Slightly pull the tip of the dough and wrap it inwards tightly for it to hold properly. Next, press down the rolled dough and start twisting until the tip of the dough gets into the center of our dough ball, just like I am doing here. Next, lightly dust the dough ball with some all-purpose flour and start spreading your dough. You can see the strips of layers on the paratha already forming as you spread it thin. Next, place the paratha on a hot pan. Once it starts to form some bubbles, flip it and brush some cooking oil. The secret here is, don't apply too much cooking oil or you will end up spoiling your paratha. The trick I use when making paratha is, I flip the paratha after every 30 seconds for 5 times and apply some cooking oil so that it doesn't become extremely hard. Remember, we want it soft and layered. When your paratha turns golden on both sides, that's when you know it's ready to be served. Look at those layers. This is the easiest hack on the internet on how to make soft layered paratha or roti. Try this today and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. You can serve paratha with lentils dal, chickpea curry chana, masala chai and other different stews. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more. See you on the next one. Wishing you peace and blessings.